Hey, what's up everyone? We're back with another video. Well, this time it's going to be 3 videos. We're reacting to the Backrooms. So, the first video is going to be the third test. The second
Yo.
one is the autopsy report. And the third one is motion detected.
Yes, sir.
So, we're going to react to these. And you know how we love this freaking
We
Backroom
love Backrooms.
franchise.
I was sick.
Let's get right into it, guys.
On July 2nd, 1988, the Asin
Oh my
Research
God.
Facility tested its low-proximity magnetic distortion system for the third time. Details
What is
regarding the results of the experimentation have not yet been released. During a press conference held in April of 1988, Ivan Beck, Vice Director of the ASIN Foundation,
There's the gate.
described the intention of these tests, stating this program, if granted sufficient backing from the United States government, will offer a solution to all current and future storage and residential needs and save billions of dollars on property construction and management.
Did you guys get any of that?
That was hard to understand, but I got a good amount.
I only heard government.
Oh, it's the United States government.
Yeah.
1988. Okay, we skipped this one, remember?
It's opening. What? Did it not work?
Yeah, that
I
was
wonder if
that.
something came out of it.
Yeah,
Maybe. It just didn't look like it worked.
No, it didn't work. Remember the first, or if you watched our first reaction to the Backrooms, we accidentally skipped this one.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
yeah. So yeah, remember then, the last episode, well, last videos we watched, the portal did turn on,
Yes.
Alright.
then all that stuff happened. So
Well, let's get on to the next one.
yeah, next one we have is this one. It's only
Au-
2 minutes.
But autopsy on what? That's the thing.
It's a report, Big
It's the
Red.
report, dog. I'll put on subtitles just in case.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I
So
wonder.
big.
Is it big? If it's big, I'll lower it.
John Doe.
John Doe, yeah.
Subject is male, somewhere
Okay.
between 18 and 21 years old.
Okay.
So young.
So
I
young.
estimate that the time of death was around 5 days ago, but due to the severe tissue damage, it's hard to say for sure.
Oh.
Damn.
Poor kid.
Cause of death was likely malnutrition. I was able to recover most of the digestive tract.
Ugly, bro. God dang.
So, as things start to deviate from what we would
He's seen better
consider to be
days.
natural, the decomposition process appears to have been stunted somehow. It's like portions of the body stopped decaying and were sustained. Other
That's weird.
areas, however, were
That looks gross.
completely overtaken by culture. So, I took a couple samples of some of the material here. At first, I thought it was an aggregated collection of Pseudomonas fluorescens, but it seems to be closer to a mutated strain of simple hay bacillus, which it should be completely benign, but
Alright, we saw his dead body in the last reaction. Yeah.
really, I
yeah.
don't know what to make of this. Mr. Beck, may I ask where this subject came from?
God.
My man looks so creepy.
Oh no.
What? Oh, that's the gate.
Oh my lord.
There it is.
Oh, it's open.
Uh-oh.
There's the back rooms.
I would
Damn.
love
Okay.
that. I would love to be like, nope, not doing this.
Dude, that's so wild.
That's crazy.
Dude, the backgrounds are so like creepy, dude.
It's so interesting though, bro.
It's
I mean, I find it way more interesting than scary, bro. It's cool.
Yeah, it really is cool. It's dull
and scary.
Okay, yeah, it's scary, bro. But I'm saying,
But yeah,
it makes me want to learn more about it, bro, because
Yeah.
it's so interesting.
Yeah. And
Considering the
scary.
fact that it's scary,
okay. There's no closed captions on this one.
Okay.
it'd be scary to be in it, Zeus. That's all I'm saying. It wouldn't be scary to look in. I'm just saying.
Yeah,
It's scary.
it's just
Okay, big bro.
you just want to learn more, pretty much.
You do.
You just want
Oh
to
my
learn.
goodness.
So this one motion detected 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and
Okay.
get into
Well, let's
it.
see what. Let's see what detected. $19.90.
1990. March
March
5th.
5th.
Is that
Those
when they
that walk
went
past.
in?
Are they taking the walls down? I hear
They're building
hammering.
something.
Yeah, they're building stuff.
That's interesting.
Claim it, bro. It's not being used. Claim it.
True.
Sell office spaces.
Oh my goodness. But
be
there's no
interesting.
outlets.
Oh,
Just don't go out.
yeah, this is weird.
Modified,
Yeah.
Narrator.
modified video cameras are optimally positioned along lateral division A. Each camera has been modified to send out an alert and begin recording when motion or substantial noise is detected.
Okay.
Alright. C1. Oh, it's down a corridor.
Nothing's going that way.
Yeah, it's only on the one. It's just straight ahead.
No, but there was a way on the side where no camera was pointing.
Yeah.
That's where it's gonna come.
Come on, show us the motion.
Bro, chill out. Show us the motion, bro.
I don't know if something to like comment and bop this guy.
Oh no.
Oh. Okay. Narrator.
The following is a compilation of all detected motion alerts received during the night of Monday, March 5th.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. 1939-43. That's the
Okay.
homies.
It's just the boys.
It's the homies. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Motion detected.
Returning.
Oh, that's path 2.
Oh, okay.
They're just coming back.
Had a good day at work.
The commute happened, bro.
Oh. Did someone go in again? Supervisor, pass us.
ID.
What's up, bro?
ID. Motion noise detected. Threshold barrier closed.
Louder.
There. Now there's no one inside, so to be determined.
I'd be tripping if I was on like on camera duty, just like watching it on the monitor.
Microphone failure?
I would be tripping too, bro, if I was watching the cameras. I've been doing it from my home, bro, in the world, real world, bro.
Motion
Microphone
detected.
failure. Oh.
Oh my god,
Oh,
I see it.
snap.
Oh, hell no.
That's crazy.
It
Oh, he haven't even been black and white. Oh, never mind.
was
He's
all the way over
isolating
there.
color. The hell?
That's crazy.
Image upscale plus enhance. Dude, it has like tentacles, dude.
Yeah.
Where's the enhanced?
Wow.
Alright, those are all
Oh,
three.
okay.
That's crazy. If I were to see that footage, I'm be out. I'm not going back.
I'm gone.
I'm gone.
No. I would not venture into that location at
This would not
all.
be the line of work for me, bro.
No, only way I go in there if I
sir.
actually go in there.
Okay. If it was an accident, okay.
Yeah. You know, like the first one, the guy was recording the camera, he just slipped in there.
Oh, yeah.
That was the only way I actually end up in there on accident.
I wonder if it's being careful because the door is being open and that's not something that's not supposed to happen. His dimension is breached.
Maybe.
Maybe, who knows?
Maybe he's recognized it. Man's like, what the
What
balls
is
is this?
that? Is that?
I didn't call for this many. I didn't call for
What
a
is that
buffet.
device?
He's like, what furniture in my house?
He's like,
I'm a minimalist. I don't want furniture.
oh my goodness. He's like, I didn't order a buffet.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Alright.
Oh my god. Well, guys, that was the Backrooms reaction, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys want us to react more to the Backrooms, please leave a comment. And if you want us to react to anything else, leave a comment as well on that regarding that. And
True.
please leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Stay cranky.